Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, I visited the house of Allah in Ramadan last year, and it was simply amazing. Sadly, however, I haven't been called for Hajj this year. But I pray that all of us get the opportunity at least once in our lifetimes. Today I have some great news for you, which you may have overlooked. You don't have to perform Hajj to earn massive rewards in the best and most blessed days of the year, these first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ had said, there are no days in the year during which righteous deeds are more beloved to Allah than these 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. So whenever you and your friends watch this video, give some sadaqah, whatever you can afford, whether it's $10, $20, $50, $100, or $500. Allah will put blessings in your health, your wealth, and your family, as well as your community and whoever is near and dear to you. My dear brothers and sisters, please support IOU's African Scholarship Campaign to help educate 1 million disenfranchised African youth in order to change their lives and their communities for the better by providing them and their communities with excellent academic and Islamized education while earning you at the same time the amazing priceless reward of continuing charity. So check this out. Every time these youths share their knowledge and earn halal incomes, provide for their families and teach the principles of Islam to others, you will earn unimaginable rewards in the life to come. So donate now. Donate now at the link below during these blessed days, and don't forget to share this video with others. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.